The whole thing's gone. Oh, oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Wow. Wow. Not a bad unit at all. Look at this thing. She's clean. Honestly, clean. Honestly, she's a real nice unit. Super clean. Looks like some rust repair here. Yep, that's all been repaired before. Oh, she got that going. A little bit Bondo. Not bad. Not a bad looking Jeep. Transmission hanging out. Look at that angle. Look at that drive shaft angle. Look. That's the proper drive shaft angle. Okay, let's see what we got here. Typical TJ. Obviously our skid plate's gone. Looking over here, that's got our mounts. Typical rust right there. Back, really not a problem with these. Yeah, typical lower control arm mounts, rusted out. Got that typical. The fronts don't look, they're all terrible, a little crunchy. That fender's good. Let's see what this side looks like. Yep, that side's gone. Oh, that's bad too. That gets bad. Oh yeah, you're digging right there. Look at all that. Yep. That's what they do. I really cannot believe he's been driving it like this. That's crazy. Other than that, good looking Jeep. The old TJ. Other than the rust, not bad. Not a bad looking TJ. I don't think she ain't been off road at all, really. She ain't been plowing through the woods, I'll tell you that. Let's pop the hood, see what she looks like. Okay, not bad. Yeah, she's showing 127 on the clock, so it's a pretty clean unit. You can tell it hasn't been abused. It's that rust that rust just doesn't in. I think we're gonna bill a saver though. No problem. Got 6 quality bolts. Got our laser cut, fully welded frame pieces here with our nuts inserted. Well, very good. That needs to go up there. And to go right there. Good. Boy, oh boy, do I love plasma cutting. far, so far. I got everything mocked up into place, got a bunch of clamps on there. We're about to fire the welder up here. You can never have too many clamps when you're welding stuff like this, no doubt. You want that seam to be tight. You want that to be tight. So, here we go. Got this welded in. Yay. And got a little coat of paint on here. Huh? Oh, come on, guy. Below the low mark. Man, that wasn't too bad. That was probably 5 hours in labor. I think those patch panels were like $80, and I ran through probably 30 rods of 30 welding rods, 6011, so I don't know how much those are, but came out pretty good. Got her a little dirty, drove her around. You know, she's definitely gonna hold. And driving this Jeep really makes me feel good because my very first Jeep was a 4-cylinder soft top 5-speed, no AC. Mine was a 99. This is an 01 though. But back on the road, back on the trail, however you want to look at it. I'm about to show you a trick the pros don't want you to know. All you need is a little fire. If you have Wrangler, your fender flares like that look like this, you can fix them so easy. Check it out. A little bit of fire. Whoa. Brand new fender flare.